Aloha. My name is Randy, and I would like to share with you why I had applied my family for the Remodification Mortgage Assistance Program under the Homeowners Protection Alliance with Lisa Taylor, working through Roosevelt Law Center. My family had been experiencing hardship since 2012 when my mother-in-law retired. 3 years later, my father-in-law retired, and their combined income had been drastically reduced. Through the course of the years, the utility bills and property taxes had increased. Also, health concerns became an issue, and the cost of medicines and medical supplies had become burdensome. Their monthly debt payment became excessive, and they ended up overextended with the creditors. Trying to stay ahead of their fiscal responsibilities, their cash reserves, including all liquid assets, became insufficient to maintain current mortgage payments and cover basic living expenses. Foreclosure notifications had been sent to the residents, and proceedings were filed, but no sales date had been posted. Homeowners Protection Alliance advocates were truly there for my family and strived daily to reassure our concerns of being evicted from our home, and was caring and understanding to our situation. They understood we fell behind, but wanted to reestablish our mortgage dependability and begin the rebuilding process of our credit and payment history. I was able to contact Lisa anytime when a question came up or a letter regarding the house showed up at our home. It is hard to express how relieving it was to know we had Lisa, the Homeowners Protection Alliance, and Roosevelt Law Center in our corner. Lisa Taylor and Roosevelt Law Center had done so much for my family. They worked so hard and was able to negotiate 3 separate modifications for us. They worked first on our second mortgage and were able to negotiate a great modification, and they were able to lower our monthly payment. We followed through with the trial modification period and are presently up to date and in good standing on our second mortgage. Next, Lisa Taylor and Roosevelt Law Center began work on our primary mortgage, and through their negotiation efforts, they were able to ascertain a modification for my family. Excited about receiving this modification, we diligently adhered to the provisions of the 3-month trial modification period. At the completion of our 3-month trial period, and while we thought we were in compliance, we were informed our modification approval had been rescinded. After receiving documentation from the bank regarding the rescindment of our modification approval, I contacted Lisa Taylor and Roosevelt Law Center. They were once again on the case and were very reassuring to my family. In short order, and with their astute negotiation efforts, they were able to negotiate a greater and better modification for my family. Lisa Taylor and Roosevelt Law Center was able to lower our monthly payment by 51% compared to our previous modification, which was rescinded. And I was informed that once we have completed our trial modification period, the past due balance will reflect deferred. Again, I have no words to express how much my family and I appreciate all that Lisa Taylor and Roosevelt Law Center has done for us. In closing, I applied my family for the Remodification Mortgage Assistance Program under the Homeowners Protection Alliance with Lisa Taylor, working through Roosevelt Law Center to save the greatest investment of our life. We have been in this home since 1974, and my family has worked all these years and put all their time and earnings into this house to create the home which, because of Lisa Taylor and Roosevelt Law Center, we have today. So I would like to send a heartfelt mahalo nui loa from me and my family. Mahalo.